Is your Ford Edge key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. To open the fob, locate the small notch or seam. Gently pry it open using a small screwdriver or pry tool. For stubborn cases, slightly warming the fob with a hairdryer can soften the plastic. Opening it improperly can void warranties. So, proceed carefully. Once open, note the battery orientation with the positive side up. Remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reassemble the case by snapping it shut. Test the remote functions like lock and unlock. If the remote still doesn't work, try reprogramming via the vehicle's settings menu under Vehicle in the infotainment system or the Ford Pass app, especially for 2025 models. Software bugs can sometimes cause issues and can be fixed via over-the-air updates. If problems persist, a faulty fob may require replacement, costing $100–200 from Ford.